Welcome back to part 2 of the slicing tutorial. So this shows the slicing we've already completed, and you can see I have my logo slice up here in the top left and the tile here. So I don't need this document anymore. I want to switch to the original again, and I think what I want to do then is turn off the background and stuff. I'm also going to get rid of this example, and I'm just going to open up the original. So out of these files, we know that this layout sliced from part 1 is one we just saved. So I'm going to go back to the original layout and I'm going to open this one up. Okay, so the objective here is to get it so these images can show up as transparent the rest of the way through. Now I'm going to go down and I'm going to turn off the gradient so you can see what I mean about the transparent. So you can see here the box that has the gray in the background for the content. I can actually just slice a section out of that to produce that effect. So I just draw a slice box. Better switch to my slice tool. Click and drag across there. Now what I want to be careful of is that I don't get any of the text. I want to slice for the Sony Ericsson up top there along with the K790. Now this is good if you want to have in your web page some kind of custom font. So I'm just going to zoom in there. Now if I turn my background back on, I can get a better look at what I've grabbed here. I just want to increase the height of that just a bit. Okay, and it looks good. It looks like I'm not getting any of this extra stuff at the bottom. I just want to be sure I'm not getting any lines from that. Okay, and the other guy which I may want to have a look at is right there, and that looks good. Okay, so the other thing I need to get at is just the phone. So I can use the top bar that it's given me here, go all the way down, so that way the top of that graphic matches the heading, and there we have the entire phone image inside there as well. So to get the transparent, it's actually simply a matter of turning off the gradient in the back to get at that. Now you could slice this all the way up to the top here. I'm not sure how necessary that is. Then I have to turn off the shadow and everything. Remember, you can control the margin for the box here. Once we get into building divs in CSS, it's actually pretty easy to bump content downward, so I wouldn't worry about it. So I've got all the slices I need. I'm now going to switch to my slice select tool. And by the way, if you hold down your control key, you can change it to the slice select tool at any time as well. So that works nicely. So you can see I just held down control and it switches. Okay, so I'm just going to switch it permanently because I don't need to